Hello and welcome to the channel. Here is one of the tricks you should know when it comes to editing in Photopea. So let's go ahead and do that together. So I will go for a new project. Okay, let me go select any of the dimensions here. I will go for maybe this thumbnail and then create. So here we go. Let me go type. I will go click on that T. Let me wait for it to load. Then I will click back on the background and type happiness. Okay, and then let me go type something else. I will go back to the background and type peace. Here we go. Let me go click on this move tool so that I will be able to move it from one place to another. So let me go ahead and increase the font of this one. Is not selected yet, so let me go increase it. We have to select it here, make sure that it's selected. I will go for the size and then increase that. Okay, then I will click back to get out of here. Okay, let's go increase the size of this one as well. I will select it, go back to the T, increase that, click back. Okay, so now I will go for the happiness. I will right click on it and go for blending options. Let me go give it a color. I will go for color overlay. I will click on that. Then let me go select another color here. I will go for this color, or maybe this one is better, or this one. Okay, I will go select this. I'll go for OK. Then if I want to give it a drop shadow, I can go ahead and give it a drop shadow. Maybe one more drop shadow. No, one is okay. I will uncheck this. Then I will go for OK. So right now, here is the trick. If I want to apply the same color to this text, to piece, what I should do, I don't have to go back to a piece, then right click, then go to blending options and start applying that same color. What I should do is this: just go and right click on happiness, then scroll down and go for layer style, go copy that style, then go for piece, click on piece, right click on it, go back, navigate to style and go paste it. So that is one of the tricks. If you like what you just watched, please kindly give us a like, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you like. I will be uploading a lot of videos on how you can successfully and easily edit in Photopea. Thank you for watching and God bless you.